Hi guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel's still in 2023 about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly my favorite bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Wednesday. I'm always on the hunt for the perfect bag. If you are like me, subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. I know guys, I'm a little bit late to the party and 22 is over now and we are almost in the middle of January 2023, time flies. However, I still want to do a little summary of my best favorite luxury purchases of 2022. I'm going to move from number 5 on the list of the most favorite to the number 1. But before I start, I want to do a couple of honorable mentions. And of course, as always, I'm going to leave all the links below if you want to check out these products closely. Honorable mention number 1, and it's a Laura Lombardi, a gold chunky chain. I was on the hunt for the gold chunky chain, quite short, for a really long while before I came across of that little beauty, that absolutely amazing gold chain with that unusual hook over here, which obviously you can wear on the front or on the back. And I came across of that on the Net-a-Porter website during the summer sale, and I was lucky enough to get it with a 70% off. And since then, I wear that all the time. That was one of my best purchases from that summer sale, and I absolutely loved it until the cold came in, winter came in, and we start wearing like a high neck things. Yeah, that was my best thing. I wore all the time. And the second honorable mention that I want also to share with you, and it's that beautiful, sparkly, amazing GIARITE bag. I love it. Look at that. This is so cute, so sparkly. I have a thing this holiday season for the sparkly things, and it's just absolutely amazing. So cute. I'm not sure if I can strictly call it a luxury purchase. This bag was just under £200, but it's absolutely beautiful and sparkly and shiny, and that's why I wanted to share that with you. It's a perfect holiday bag. It was for me, and I used that for all my outing during the holiday season, and I'm planning to use it for all my theatre evenings also in 2023. It comes with a beautiful metal strap as well, and they've got it different colors. I'm seriously thinking about buying the same bag in the bucket shape in beautiful green color. I will think about that, but it's just amazing, and I really wanted to share that one with you. And from now, we are starting with number 5, my favorite luxury purchases of 2022. And here it's a jewelry again, and I'm talking about MEJURI, a beautiful luxury brand of jewelry. I found out about this brand only at the end of 2022, and I put so many items in my wish list, in my basket, and I was waiting for the Black Friday sale to basically purchase everything what I wanted. And guys, if we were looking ahead to the Christmas and the Christmas gifts and so on, and I have quite a few birthdays coming up in January 23 and then in February 23. So if it wasn't the case, I probably would bought pretty much everything what they have on the website. So here I had to stop myself. The purchases came in those beautiful dust bags, really nice, good quality cotton bags, and then those nice, cute little boxes as well. Oh, so nice, so good. And here we've got 3 rings and in gold plated, and we have one. Oh, look at that. I love this moving part, love this moving stone here. Then the next one is a heart one, pink with some semi-precious stones looking like an emerald. I absolutely love how this heart is not flat but has a bit of volume in that, and it gives a just completely different feeling if it was a flat, you know, is just amazing. And they come in different colors as well. And also this one is a gold plated, but they also do that the same ring in white and yellow gold with the diamonds. Definitely on my wish list, 100%. And that one is also gold plated ring with a pearl. I love how it has like a dome shape there, so like, you know, voluminous and thick, and I loved wearing them all three like that at the same time. Guys, I love it. I absolutely love it. And I also, and I'm going to keep that till the end of the video, I'm actually love it so much. And also I have a little bit of silver in the next box. In here, a very similar ring with a moving white stone here, which I wear on my index finger here. Oh, and I love it. Absolutely love it. That's the silver one. Guys, what do you think? Oh no. All the links below if you want to check this out. But as I said, I'm going to keep that trio till the end of the video. Number 4 on my list of the favorite best luxury purchases of 2022 is this amazing Saint Laurent sunglasses. I also purchased them during the summer sale on Net-a-Porter. That luxury haul was quite successful. I remember I had so many items which made this list actually. So yeah, I love it. I love that purchase. So these beautiful shades were purchased in August 2022 and I just wore them non-stop. I had a couple of the holidays after that and the weather was really good here in Scotland, and I just absolutely love the classic form. I love those thick legs and YSL logo on the both sides. I love wearing them with my puffer bag, my little Loulou. I love how it's like a little bit of a logo matchy. Yeah, it's just a perfect classic sunglasses, and I know for sure, guys, that they will last me for ages due to the classic shape and form and like dark color. Nice, love it. Okay, and we're moving to it's number 4. Yeah, we're moving to the number 3, and here we have, some call it SLG, small leather goods, some call it a bag. I'm a mini sized bag lady, I call it a bag. And here we're talking about probably my most worn bag of 2022, and it's a Mulberry mini Anthony bag, and lime green color. And I'm going to tell you a little story about how I purchased this bag. During 2022, I was on the hunt for the tiny little micro bag which would literally just fit my phone. I have quite a large phone, it's an iPhone Max Pro, 16 centimeters long, quite large phone, and not many bags actually fits that. And I wanted that, you know, just that exact size to get my phone in, and that's it. Maybe like, you know, just a card, and that's it. Not even the keys or anything like that, so I can just grab and go for a walk or like a little errands or the next door convenience grocery store or something like that, you know, just a very quick bag grab and go to use. Tried several bags, including Dionysus super mini bag in the Gucci Supreme canvas. I was devastated when it didn't fit my long phone. And I was kind of like, you know, was in the stage that I was like almost lost my hope to find that perfect bag, until I've got the email from Mulberry, my local store, telling me about all these new bags that they got in stock. Please come and check it out. I was like, no problem at all. I was interested in few bags. They are beautiful colors. There's lime green, like a hot pink color, different varieties. And I'm like, I'm going to check this out. I've never thought about mini Anthony at all, because in my opinion, it was kind of like a, you know, masculine, old-fashioned style. Never in my life I was interested in that particular bag. It also comes in several different sizes, like just a regular one, which can fit even a big tablet, small size, and they just introduced the mini. But again, because I was so not sure about the original Anthony, I'm like, nah, I wasn't even keeping that style, mini style, in mind until went into the shop, try it, put my phone in, and it fit perfectly, like a glove, swear. And I'm like, I wasn't planning to buy this bag, but I wasn't planning to buy anything that day, to be honest with you. And I'm like, yes, please. And I left the shop with this bag. And I wanted that immediately, guys, that even because I think they have the last one in stock, and that was from display, and they had a tiny little scratches inside. You hardly can see them, and my sales assistant, she was like, do you want me to change that? We will send it to another store, blah, 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 and you will get it in a couple of days. But I was already so in love with this bag and I couldn't wait to use it that I said, I don't mind those tiny little scratches inside the bag. I want it now. And since then, guys, I swear it's one of the most worn bags of 2022. Yes, maybe due to my dog, because, you know, I take her for a walk using this bag, but it's soft, it's nice, very resistible to any scratches. Just a one perfect little bag. It's nothing going on here, you know, it's just a crossbody, my favorite situation. The strap is not removable, but it's adjustable to your height. Inside we have, here we have the traditional signature Mulberry postman lock, silver hardware, and just a one big hole for the phone, and that's it. And a couple of slots for the cards. And what else do you need? That bag is just my little love of 2022. And we're moving here to the number 2 on all of the best purchases of 2022. On the place number 2, we have actually 2 items. They are from the same category. They are different from the same category, and that's why probably they share. I love them equally, and that's why they share the place number 2. And it's 2 scarves. Yes, it is. And the first one is this beautiful Gucci scarf, which I purchased in the very beginning of 2022. I think it was in January. And oh my god, guys, that's a beautiful jacquard jumbo G Gucci scarf. Absolutely love it. It goes so well with everything, especially my white puffer jacket. So cozy, so nice, so soft. It has like you know, kind of like a double reversible. I do believe that you can wear that both sides, you know, totally. That's what I was doing. Wear that so much. Absolutely love it. And as soon as the cold and the winter came in, I just grab it and start wearing it again. So nice, cozy. I know I've said the word nice too many times, but just guys, that word fits perfectly this beautiful scarf. And the second scarf on that famous summer haul, summer sale haul, and it's a LOEWE scarf. As you can see, they are pretty different, those 2 scarves. And I remember buying that on the summer sale with like, I think it was a 70% off or something like that. And I'm like, that's the future investment. I know that I can wear that in August, and probably in Scotland I wouldn't be able to wear that until December, November time. I'm so happy that I actually bought it back then, and it's just a nice and cozy one, and again it looks so good with my white puffer jacket. Those 2, my number 2 for 2022 luxury purchases. And now finally we're moving to the number 1, and it's a bag again, and it's this beauty. SAINT LAURENT Lulu puffer bag in the toy size. Guys, that's my little love. I was when I bought this bag, because I already have also the regular Lulu toy bag, which I had like for over 3 years, and I was like, why do I need the very similar bag? Yes, okay, it's like a different type, but it's from the same category. And guys, when I received it, I realized I don't want to, you know, I don't want to send it back. I don't want to return it. I want to keep this bag. I don't want our waist to part. Soft, very delicate, tactile lamb skin. So good. You know I'm all about those tactile things and touchy, feely, and it's just amazing. I would say it's pretty good in the sense of like a rain or any weather conditions, because I got myself in a torrential rain quite a few times wearing this bag, and nope, not the difference to the leather and the feeling of the leather. I love the idea that it has a leather chain and just a gold chain, you know, the leather strap and the gold chain there. It just adds a little bit of fanciness to the bag, and that's why I can wear that not just casually, but going to the theatre or for the night out. To me, it's a perfect versatile bag. The only thing that I would mention here is just the wear and tear. Leather is quite delicate, and that's why I'm just trying to be very careful with that. I did a couple of videos about this bag, comparing that to the regular bag, to regular Lulu bag, and also doing the full review of this bag. I'm going to leave the link below if you want to check this out. This beautiful Saint Laurent Lulu puffer toy bag made #1 for the best purchases of 2022. And that's me for today, guys. Please share your best purchases of 2022 in the comments below. I would love to hear about that. I would love you to share your opinion. And if you like this video, please hit thumbs up, subscribe, hit notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!